natin.
Hey guys! You know what, Camille? I saw your crush today playing basketball.
Where?
At the court.
Let's go, Camille. Let's watch.
Yes,
let's
okay,
go.
fine.
Let's go.
Hindi ba't sabi mo, ilong ko ay pango, forma ko ay bando, buhok ko ay palong-palo. Di ba't sabi mo, putis ko'y bayabang, kat sa mukha ko'y chewing ng... Pag nakita mo ako ngayon, malapilos ang ganda.
Oh no! My God, what happened? Oh my God! Your shirt is so dirty. Yeah, it's true.
Anong masasay? Habay na habay.
Hey, wait!
Ako taka face.
Camille! Camille, wait!
Oh, what happened to your shirt? Do you want your shirt clean like this?
Yes.
I have a solution for that. Use this.
Brandy powder? Are you sure that's effective?
How would you know it's effective if you don't want to try it?
Anong masasay? Habay na habay. Di na ako walay. Hindi na ako taka face. Ako'y Diyosa.
Can this cell be recovered? Wow, it's effective!
Sabi mo noon, kamukha ko si Ann. Panuhulog na dapa at nagputi ka sa daan. Inaasar mo dito ako na puro bariya. Pwede nang utangan at hulugan pa. Pero ba ngayon ay nabibighani? Gusto na akong kaibiganin. Ikaw ay mapapanganga ngayon sa aking ganda ng bala. Sabi mo noon, ngayon ako'y Diyosa. Anong masasay? Habay na habay. Di na ako walay. Hindi na ako tsaka kayo.
My God, is that Camille? She looks fresh. Camille, did you use the brandy powder?
Yes!
Oh, it's so effective.
Of course!
Bro, is that transferring?
No, bro, that's an error. Come on, bro, to tail. Go.
Hi Camille,
Hello.
your t-shirt is so clean.
Thank you.
What your secret?
Brandy powder. Do you want your clothes looks fresh and clean? Use brandy powder.
It's Brandy! It's Brandy! It's Brandy, Brandy!